All right, if you're shortlisting engineering colleges, especially in the Thoothukudi area, then this quick explainer is for you. We're looking at Jayaraj Annapackiam CSI College of Engineering. And right off the bat, here's the number you'll need for TNEA counseling. The code is 4957. So why should this college be on your radar? Let's cut right to the chase. First, it has a long history, managed by the well-regarded CSI diocese for over 2 decades. Second, and this is a big one, some of its key programs are accredited by the NBA, the National Board of Accreditation. And third, the college is reporting a 90% placement rate. These are the things that really matter: quality and job prospects. Okay, that's a strong start, right? So let's build on that. In this first part, we're going to get into the college's core identity, all the essential details you and your parents need to have. So here are the vitals. The full name is Jayaraj Annapackiam CSI College of Engineering. It's a self-financing college, which means it's a private institution, and it's been around since 2001. And importantly, it's affiliated with Anna University in Chennai. Pretty straightforward stuff, but you'll need it for all your paperwork. Now, the big question: how do you get in? Well, admissions are split. The main route is through TNEA counseling, which fills 65% of the seats under the government quota. The other 35% are available through the management quota. Knowing the split is absolutely key when you're planning your admission strategy. Let's talk a little bit about its history. The college was started way back in 2001 by the CSI Thoothukudi Nazareth diocese, and they had a very clear mission: to provide good quality technical education for students right there in the southern coastal area of Tamil Nadu. That speaks to a real long-term commitment to the local community. Okay, let's move on to what's probably the most important factor for any family making this kind of investment. We're talking about academic quality. And look, accreditation isn't just some fancy term. It's solid proof that the college meets certain standards. First things first, the basic checkmark. The college is approved by the AICTE for the upcoming academic year, 2025-26. This is non-negotiable. It ensures your degree is recognized and valid across the country. But they've gone a step further. The college has also earned the prestigious National Board of Accreditation, or NBA status, for 3 of its main engineering programs. So, which ones are they? We're talking about computer science, information technology, and electronics and communication engineering. And you can see the accreditation is valid well into 2027 and 2028. This is a huge plus, as it tells employers that these programs are up to a very high national standard. So what can you study here? The college offers 5 different BE programs. You've got computer science with a solid 120 seats. Then there's IT, ECE, and mechanical, each with 60 seats. And it's great to see they're offering a very modern, high-demand branch, artificial intelligence and data science, also with 60 seats. Add all of that up, and you get a total approved intake of 360 undergraduate students for the next year. That size often means a more focused and close-knit learning environment, where you're not just another face in a giant lecture hall. Okay, so we've covered the academics, but a college is also where you'll be living for 4 years. So let's shift gears and look at the practical side of things, the campus facilities. Now, for parents, this is often the #1 concern, right? Accommodation. And the good news is, yes, the college provides separate hostel facilities on campus for both boys and girls. That's a huge box ticked. And what about day-to-day life? Well, the campus mess serves both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food. If you're a day scholar, there's a college transport facility available. And for travel, the Nazareth railway station is just about 3 kilometers away, which is super convenient. All right, we've arrived at the section that's often the deal maker or deal breaker, the return on your investment. We're going to talk about placements, the job outcomes, and the financial help available to students. Let's get right to the headline number. According to the data the college submitted, they have a 90% placement rate for their most recent batch. That's a very strong figure, and it speaks directly to what you can expect in terms of career opportunities after you graduate. And to help make your education more affordable, there are several government scholarships that students here can apply for. You can see the list. It covers scholarships for SC/ST, BC/MBC, and minority communities. And of course, there's the very popular First Graduate Scholarship. It's definitely worth checking if your family is eligible for any of these. Now, for the sake of total transparency, we want you to know that all the information we've shared in this explainer comes directly from the college's own official submissions to government portals, and we verified everything as of March 2026. Choosing an engineering college is a massive decision. We get that. We hope this breakdown has given you some real clarity. For more in-depth analysis on other colleges, make sure you visit profsam.com. It's your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.